This is Kelly with Rock Rock Kitchen and Bath, and I just wanted to show you a little tip on how to caulk these edges. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to hold this at 90 degrees and at this angle, and you're actually going to move forward, not backwards. Just squeeze it out, move forward, and let go like that. And then the key is you need to always have a wet finger and a wet rag with you. So I've already done one before. So what you want to do is start by just doing little increments and pushing the caulk into the crease. Just wipe it off as you go. That way you're really getting a lot of the caulk inside of those creases. And then your final step here to make it nice and clean is you're gonna work the other way in one solid swoop. Just like this. This will fill any little air bubbles that you had before. And then if you ever get any little bit like outside there or like this, how you can see how it's built up there a little bit, and you always want to make sure everything's smooth, so keep a wet finger, is to take your clean part of your wet rag, wrap it around your finger like this, and just go lightly and quickly, just like this. And now you've removed all the excess there, so when you go and paint it, it'll be nice and easy. So there's your tip for today. Thanks.